back to RTS Scrapbooking, and I hope everyone is doing well. And I think what we're going to call this is reduce the spending, because it's going to be about items I find for free, or items that manufacturers are offering for free, or free offers, free deals. So I guess we'll just put that in reduce the spending category, right? And I'll have playlists coming up, and so if there's a certain category you like on my channel, you can go watch those videos. So up for today in reduce the spending is an awesome share that I just am beyond tickled and giddy to share. Okay, so I came across Laura Whitaker a few years ago, and I was just so excited because I love her style. I love how she uses product. I love how she can just take a little journaling card and turn it into an embellishment. She amazes me. And so she knows I'm a big fan of hers. I love her work. I actually, with her YouTube channel, when I would see she posted a video, it would be seriously like tea time for me. I would grab my cup of tea, I wouldn't answer the phone, and I would just solely sit there and watch her videos. They're just inspiring. I just think she's a wonderful and talented scrapbooker. So not only does she create beautiful pages, but lo and behold, she creates sketches. Okay? And so recently, Laura had to step back from the scrapbooking industry, and I will leave a link to her blog post below to explain why. And with that, this generous, talented scrapbooker offered us, as her way of saying thanks to us, which it's thanks to her really, a sketchbook of most of her sketches from the last 5 to 6 years. I mean, can you just say 112 pages of Laura Whitaker inspiration? If you love one-page layouts, you have to get on the bandwagon, get this free download. Yes, and did you hear me say the word free? Laura could have sold this, and I would have been the first one in line to buy it. But she is offering this free as a thank you for supporting her over the years. And I am just... it makes my heart sing to know that she did this for us. And now I'm a big fan of Laura, so I already had, a lot of her sketches printed out. And I actually have a Pinterest board just for Laura Whitaker, because that's just how much I adore her, and I adore her work, and she inspires me. Don't you just love when you find someone who inspires you? So I wanted to make this quick video because down below in the description box will be a link to Laura's blog post, and also the link to get this free sketchbook. Ladies, I'm talking 112 pages, I think. I know it was over 100 pages. And it says from September 2013 to March 2018. I mean, you need to print this out, at least have the download ready. I don't like things on a computer screen when I'm in my space. I want my actual thing in hand. And so I printed them out, and it's just... like I said, if you love one-page sketches, you have to get this. If you want to see different ways to do some sketches, even some on diagonal, because you can take any sketch of Laura's and combine it with another and flip it and rotate it, and then you just have even more options. So I wanted to jump on real quick, learn how to do a video, and I wanted to tell Laura Whitaker that I think you are amazing, talented, and I'm so blessed to know you and to consider you my friend. And it's a sad day that you can't be in the industry anymore, but I'm happy that you are going to take the time for you and you alone and get where you need to be as far as your health, because at the end of the day, that's all we have, right, is our health. So Laura, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you from all the other women that will be blessed, totally blessed by your generous gift of offering your entire sketch work for the last 5 to 6 years for free. Thank you so much, Laura. Thank you, ladies. I wanted to share this, and go to the links below, get this downloaded, and if you would do me the biggest favor, if you would leave a comment on Laura's blog post, thanking her for what she has done for our crafting and scrapbooking community, thanking her for this sketchbook, and just give her a warm well wish of really good health in the future. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. Thanks again, Laura. You are a complete doll. Complete doll. And I am honored to have you as a friend and someone I know that I can just chat with down the road. And thanks for this beautiful sketchbook. Okay, I'm excited. And come back, everyone, because at RTS, you never know what we're going to learn.